Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So where are we headed today? Today we are headed to Bull Bay. So we'll still be in Kingston and St. Andrew, but we are going to be on a beachfront property outside of the city, right at Bull Bay. So I am super excited. You know, that's super close to the airport. So yeah. And on this trip, my mom begged me to take her with me on this Airbnb trip. I said, fine, you can come. So my mom's joining me. We're gonna have a good time. Let's see what Bull Bay has in store for us. And guys, I am vlogging from a new camera. So tell me if you love the quality. You know, the last time we did that Airbnb video, we went to Kingston's cheapest Airbnb and that was just that was not it. So we upped the budget. This one is still affordable and I just have high hopes. The host seems like, you know, she knows what she's doing, so I'm excited. So let's go, you guys. So look who has joined me, Late Bug, but we are on our way there now. We're a bit late, but that's fine. Alright guys, so we got here, we made it to the Airbnb, but I think it's only right that I do the tour tomorrow when the sun is out and everything. So right now we're just going to sanitize and we're going to eat some food. We took some food here with us, so we're just going to eat this now and then I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, so this is what I'm having. Some oven jerk chicken with veggies and rice and peas. So I'm gonna eat this now and check in with you guys later. Alright, so we're starting our Airbnb tour from the street level. So this is the apartment complex. This is the community and the surrounding area. And we are going to that apartment, number 4. So we go up these steps. This part of the step is fine. But when you go over here, they get a bit narrow. So this is Britonny from the future and I did not want to wait. I didn't want you guys wait too long to see the Airbnb tour, so I'm just gonna fast forward and just drop this part in and then we'll go back to in the night. Alright, so when you come to the door, you know it would be closed, and then in this little security box here is where I got the key last night, and then it opens up to the Airbnb. So this is the living room area, living, dining and kitchen. Okay, let me catch my breath. Alright, so over here you have the stove, the gas cylinder, a window, and a little kitchenette with a sink, cupboard, and you do have plates, cups, pots and pans up here. Yeah, there you go. So we do have those up here. Alright, you can close that up. You have like your spoons and other utensils there, dishwashing liquid, and we wash that and lift it. Alright, so down here, I didn't even check down here. So down here is, yeah, junk that shouldn't be here, I guess, whatever. You have a broom, trash can. This does kind of look like a fire hazard waiting to happen. With this long curtain here near the stove, like should have been a little bit shorter. And then the gas cylinder here. Okay, never. Here's a dining table. And she has like a gray and yellow theme. The colors work well together. Kind of make the place a bit dark. But okay. She does give you some sanitizer, paper towel, and you know. Over here we have a fan, a kettle, tea and sugar. And then you have a little mini fridge, but not a tiny mini fridge, a good size fridge. And this one was clean, you guys, not like the last time. This one was clean, and she gave us a bottle of water. Why would I drink that last night? She does offer wine, but it's at a cost, so you know, if you take the wine it will be charged. And here is the microwave. So here you have a couch, you can lounge in. I think this was a nice touch, the Airbnb. Little rug. And then here's this chandelier. It looks disgusting at night, but whatever. And here's the parts that I don't like of the living room, the ceiling. So the ceiling needs repair, and you can see like some work has been done, but it's just bad finishes and sloppy work, you know. Sloppy, the doors sloppy, those bad finishes all around. But let's continue the tour. Coming down this way towards the bedroom, you have a closet. Right. Over here, you know they always give us the 3 sad little hangers. 3 sad little hangers. Again, an iron, wash bath, and then Keisha, that's the host of the Airbnb, she has some trash here, an Amazon box and whatever this is that should just really be thrown out. You don't need that in your Airbnb, ma'am. Didn't like that. But let's take a look in the room. Alright, so you have your TV mounted. You have a sad little fan, which is like tilted. I like it. Make wiper noise. And it's like, as you can see, broken. Broken. Have your Wi-Fi here. The Wi-Fi works well. Alright. And then here is the bed. And then you have a chair here. And then you have this bathroom, which is guarded by this curtain. I'm like, why isn't there a door here? Oh, and the curtain thing I fall on, you know. Let me watch it. Look, I didn't even realize the brackets falling out of the wall for the curtain. Over here you have a nightstand with a lamp, and then you have this cell phone, which is supposed to be used to call the gate or something like that. Here you have this nice wallpaper on the wall. Wasn't done neatly, and I think they're like 2 different colors. Hold on. Yeah. So there you have it. Let's go and look in the bathroom. And you have this lovely red rug. Let's go and look in the bathroom, you guys. I'm just chilling. I'm just playing. Alright, turn on the light. There we go. So this is Keisha's bathroom. Your drop curtain. Okay. You have this ugly toilet seat cover, which would do much better in white, but it's clean. You have a red bath mat. You have shampoo, conditioner, and I don't know why Keisha threw out the body wash from another bottle and put it in here, so it's half green, half white. You did get toilet paper, and that was properly wrapped. Hair dryer and a flat iron. Towels and washcloths, but you know, we carry our own. Here is the mirror. It is broken. Keisha used some lovely tape to hold that up. Here we got pedestal sink and some soap, which is watered down and basically finished. Could have done without that. Then here is the shower. Okay. See, sloppy work, like that could have just been fixed, you know, just do the thing neat. Because it kind of looked dirty. It's not dirty, you know, but I said whichever workman did it, like, they did it sloppily. You feel me? Here you have this water heater. So you know those ones that you can just attach to your shower. This is kind of like really hard to gauge. Sometimes I felt like I was getting burnt up. I was getting burnt up. Okay, Keisha? But if for effort you try put a water heater there. Okay, big up yourself. All right. I think this curtain thing at the bathroom is rather inconvenient. If imagine you're here with your spouse and someone needed to number 2 or something, the person would hear it. Like, you have no privacy. It's or even if you're here with a friend, like, that's sad. And then the curtain is so long, it does a drag. Child, she could have at least cut that, get it hemmed. But anyways, let's go out to the balcony, which is my favorite part of the Airbnb. So there's a mosquito net, but it doesn't fit the door. So this is supposed to like come together, but it doesn't fit. Okay, Keisha, let's go out on the balcony. Here on the balcony you have 2 chairs. I'm just drying some clothes, and a little stool, a little patio set here. You have the neighbors over there. Come around. You have also this side of the balcony, and there is this big hole in the balcony. Why couldn't that be fixed? Okay, Keisha. But it takes you out to this beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea. This is why the balcony is my favorite part. The view, and at night you can hear everything, the waves crashing. It's so peaceful. You can't see anything because, as you can see, there are no lights out here, but you could hear everything. You could see the city lights around here. So this is out to where the airport would be, guys. So even if you're flying into Jamaica, you wouldn't be far from the airport, Kingston Airport, Norman Manley International Airport. So beautiful, beautiful ocean view on the balcony. All right, let's go outside of the property, and then we will go back to nighttime. Close that. All right. I didn't check if the TV works. I don't really watch TV. So sorry. But yeah, so let's look at the outside. Here you have some very sharp steps, which for a beachfront property, it's kind of risky. There you have some garbage that I guess fell at some point. A new one to get up. Our dogs maybe got in there. Something. That's disgusting. To the side you do have a water tank, so you run into water issues, you do have a water tank reserved up. Then down here is where I believe the washing machines are and the dryers. So yeah, this is just a general yard. The property here is a little table thing, but no chairs. Kind of run down a bit. Could do a little fixing up, a little fixing up. And then to that side is where you will walk to go to the beach. And that's it for the tour. So you guys, I actually want to go out on the balcony. I can hear the waves of the ocean, and it just sounds so relaxing. So let's open that here. You can't really see anything, but there are some chairs right here. I'm just going to sit and chill for a bit. So yeah, I'm just going to chill on the balcony, just listen to the ocean. So beautiful. she's fast asleep. I am going to do some work now. Good morning, everyone. So I slept through. Oh my god, I look awful. I slept through my like 6 a.m. alarm to do my early walk, but I'm still gonna exercise. But look at this, is what we were hearing last night. Oh, there we go. So look at this, guys, and it's like all along here. Here comes a big wave, and last night, guys, the waves were huge, so huge. But beach goes all along here. Really, really beautiful. The Caribbean Sea. The Caribbean Sea. Alright. So, see, it goes all the way out there. So, I was thinking last night that the beach was to this side. But the beach is actually to this side that we didn't go last night. So, alright guys, so I'm ready to go for my walk. I'm not a real, workout person. I did not remember my sneakers, so this will have to do. Okay, I'm going to leave my mom because she's tired. She hasn't even woke up, so let's go on the road. Next thing I have to do is find the beach. So these are the apartments, and I think I'm gonna go to the side here to this little pathway. Yes, oh, that's how you get to the beach, you guys. Okay, perfect. So let's go on the beach before this camera dies. So it's just a little, pathway around here, Lord. And then I think I can do like some walking along the beach. Right, here is the beach. Really beautiful. Just kind of have to go through some junk. Go up here. It's a pebble beach. It's really beautiful. Fisherman gone out of sea already. Watch it. Yeah, there are the fishermen gone out early and thing. Start catch fish already. And there is Kingston back to that side. But super beautiful. So we're gonna start some workout. I think what I want to do is just walk along the beach real fast. So let's go, you guys. Alright guys, vlogging off the iPhone. So yeah, there are other persons out here working out too. This is how far there are the other persons who are working out. So I'm a bit tired, but we're pressing on. This is like an intense leg workout because you see, like, you're sinking, but you're not fully sinking because there's still have a pebble part. So you walk on the pebble part. So it's still a good like leg workout. So I'm trying to go like around that bend, not too far, but I just the corner and then come back. Well, right now, tired already, but we must get this workout in. So yeah. See the waves, all them intense? Jeez, this is beautiful. Guys, I never know so this was hard. You see, walking on the beach is a different challenge because when you start to sink and you have to use like your leg muscles, push your glutes. I never know so this was hard. Bro, but the view is beautiful along the walk, so we can't too complain. But may I complain? I'm tired, not because I'm not sweat, like you see I'm powder burning. Good morning. So we are back from our walk. I just like change and freshen up real quick, and now we're headed to like do some beach fun and some beach activities. So let me give you the outfit. Okay, so this is the beach outfit. I hope you guys can see. So yeah, we're going on the beach now. Mommy is coming too. She gone? Oh, there she goes. So my mom is gone for a dip. So, how is the water, Mom?
Nice and warm, but the stones.
Oh, stones. Oh yeah, the pebbles and so on. All right, you have a great swim. You take a dip now, no?
Dip yourself.
Dip. Cover your booty. So we made it onto the beach. I have a swimsuit. It is so hot, but it's so beautiful. Right, the sun is beaming, but it's a good, you know, morning sun. Mommy has already taken a dip. I'm trying to get some pictures, you know, us girls and ting. But yeah, super beautiful. This is so nice. There's the apartments behind me, and there's the ocean. So let us go for a swim and do our thing. Let's go and swim. You guys, yo, you will fall and bust your booty out here. Mommy almost bust our booty. I'm going to put the clip where Mommy almost fell. But yeah, really beautiful.
Yeah, I told you about those rocks. Oh, I told you about those rocks. I told you about those rocks. You can't even make your balance. No man, get somewhere. Go. Something is coming. There comes another one!
No, I'm not to come off. Alright guys, so we just made it back to the Airbnb. Oh my god, that was so fun though. Bro, hey, chip up in the man. Jesus, but it was fun. So we're just going to chill now, probably go on the balcony, drink some tea, eat, and then get ready to check out. But it was so super fun. Whew, guess I'll wash it off there, see? Jesus. Hey everyone, what am I saying for? Alright, so we are going to give our honest opinions now on the Airbnb and our overall stay. So I'll let mommy go first, and at the end mommy, you have to rate it out of 5.
5?
Okay. So what do you think?
Location, great. Presentation, poor. Very poor. That house is tacky. There is nothing about it. I was even scared to stay there.
You were scared?
If I was waiting for daylight.
Okay, I wasn't scared.
I parked my vehicle and I was worried. Even though there's a security gate that we entered through, when I got to the location, I was terrified. Climbing those stairs, my gosh. They are unbalanced. They are uneven. If you don't look properly, you will topple right over. Opening the door, going inside, doesn't look all that bad, but when I start to look around,
yeah, when you start examining like the fine details, yeah,
the kitchen
finishing
sink,
touches,
kitchen sink
right there
is a hand sink. It is a hand sink. It's not a kitchen sink. I understand that the space is limited, but it could have been utilized much better. Yeah.
So I think better construction planning could have gone into it. Like, if you have a small space, I just suggest you do some research into how you can like utilize your small space. Simple. And this goes for everyone, like Airbnb owners or just general persons who are building. If you have a small space, go on Google. Simple. And look at how persons are building up their places with small space and how they utilize the space, and put some cabinet in some place where you never know cabinet would fit. The garbage bin, you know, you put it in our area, just pull out and slide out. And there's so many ways to utilize a small space now, where a small space doesn't even look like a small space at the end of it. Neat, tucked away, perfect, right? I love the location. Oh, mommy, how much out of 5?
The furniture was good enough. Yes, furniture and appliances.
Bed did spring
the bed can go on. It's not 100.
Yeah, but we sleep good. Yeah, we slept well.
But in the decor, the tackiness of the walls and the ceiling and the corners are not properly sealed. There was a water heater. Yes, we could get hot water to bathe with, but apparently the appliances and everything, it is properly furnished.
Yes,
but
and it has the amenities.
Yes, but
just care needs to be
the finishing,
taken with the
finishes are horrible. The toilet need to be replaced.
Yeah,
a lot of things need to be done.
Yeah, and I don't know how much out of 5.
Out of 5? Well, to be honest, I'll give it 2.5. I'm saying 2.5 out of.
So we had to take an intermission. So, mommy, you said what? 2.5 stars? That's what you said?
Well, I'll give her 3 overall. Yeah, she has the place well furnished, but the finishing detail, the building, the construction, it needs to be taken care of. Yeah, and I don't know why it's a trend in Jamaica. Like, I don't know if it's the workmen people get to do these things, but why we can't just finish something, see it through to the end? I will not accept that from any workman. Don't accept. Could not give me that. Sloppy work from workmen, guys. No way. Don't get into the habit of accepting any sloppy work from a workman. I would never pay for any job like that to be done. No. And even if you're getting someone to help you do it free, take your time and do it well, because you see, when things go bad, like those construction things, it haunts you for years and it creates even more problems. For me, I really enjoyed my time at the beach. It was a good experience. Good. Not be, you don't leave Kingston. You're not too far. You're still in St. Andrew. And get a little time out for fresh air. So apart from being, stuck up in like an apartment, you got to swim and no swim. Struggle in the stones. Struggle. Yeah, but struggle on the stones. It was a breath of fresh air, and just hearing the ocean at night, it was really that peaceful. Was good. And you could have done without using any fans or AC because it was very cool. Yeah, it was cool. So Keisha, just to fix up the place, man. Guys, like that Airbnb, the entire apartment complex could be a dream Airbnb if they just put some love into it, because even the other homes in the community, they were nice. They were so nice. Like, you could tell that persons there really like invested in their homes and so on. And she has a great spot right there on the beach, right on the beachfront. So just pay attention to details, and yeah, it was a good overall experience. Get the construction up and going properly. Yeah, so I like this version, this trip better than the other one though, still. So it's a step up for me, so I'll give it 3 stars. I'll give it 3 stars too. So that's where we wrap up this video for today. We're back into Kingston in the hustle and the bustle, as you can see, and I want you guys to tell me how much you rate the Airbnb out of 5, and which parish you want me to go next. I have a few, Ochi, of course. I want to see what Ochi is going for, but it's because Ochi, I've been to so many of the places before, and growing up you see it all the time. It's like, oh, that's hotel, that place, oh, that place. But I still want to go. There's some nice ones that I see too, but they're booked out. I want to go to St. Elizabeth. So tell me where you want me to go and rate the Airbnb out of 5. So until next time, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a video first. Mommy, tell them goodbye. Bye.